Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 5. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, very few concerns in the country are selling shares to the ordinary clerks and other employees because they do not want these ordinary people to become shareholders, as they will have their say in the annual general meetings. They confine to those own shareholders who will vote for their own persons to become managing directors and chairmen, etc. This is how manipulation takes place. The government expects to get rupees 5 crores out of this measure. What are the other measures by which government could possibly get more money? I would like to know from my honorable friend who is now disturbing the finance minister what is the position in the cashew nut industry. He may be able to tell us. The point is, he does not apply his mind and he goes on disturbing the finance minister. That is the whole difficulty. The cashew nut not even paying 12%. They are paying 10% or 6%. The question is, some of these companies have been converted into junks. This is the case with all the industries, whether it is the textile industry or jute industry. When they are converted into junks, they get the government to take them over. Government goes on taking them over the chic textile mills. What about healthy meals? Why should they not be taken over immediately? In this case, this particular attempt which the finance minister is making will be nothing. It will be an eye wash. What are they going to get? They are going to get rupees 5 crores. If they had demonetized, it would have brought thousands of crores. I expected this time that in the budget they will at least say something about declaration that if somebody declares black money could have within 3 months or 6 months they will be taxed as per the Income Tax Act without any fine, and that money could have come into the hands of the government. It was tried on by my honorable friend, but the result was not much. Still, that should have been attempted. In this case, you are taking only rupees 5 crores from the companies while rupees 300 crores from salaried employees stop.